With us right now in the studio. Also, the person who had put out in his Khabar segment that there would be an STT increase. That is exactly what's happened. So, Somit, kudos for that. But you've been going through that budget document. Here's the profit intelligence that you need at this point. What really is the fine print? Somit, take it away.
Well, firstly, coming on the STT front, that's the major negative that has come in for many capital market players, given the fact that most of them were expecting a reduction to happen. But in fact, there is an increase that has happened in futures to 0.05 from 0.02. And when it comes to options, it has increased to 0.15% from 0.1 or 0.125 based on premium or exercise STT that you're looking at. Now, this is quite negative for most of the capital market players. When it comes to the fiscal deficit target, that is slightly pro-growth, given the fact that Street was expecting the fiscal deficit number to come in at 4.2% for FY27, but it has come in at 4.3%. So slightly pro-growth is what the Street is seeing at when it comes to the fiscal deficit number. Now, the 10-year government SEC yield, now this could have could rise further going forward, given the fact that the government borrowing target is higher, and FY27 gross borrowing stands at close to 17.2 lakh crore rupees, which is spooking the financial stocks. In fact, that was one of the major reasons why we saw a sharp downtick. Apart from that, nothing has come in on the exemption limits for PSU Bank on FII, and that is also one of the reasons why PSU banks were also down in trade. Apart from that, if you look at the capex increase, that has come in at 10% on a YOY basis, pretty much in line, positive for the capital goods company. PLI for mobile, for defense, if you look at the outlet, for PLI for mobile and IT hardware, if you look at, yes, in the speech, the FM did say 40,000 crore rupees as the amount entirely for the PLI. But for mobile and hardware, the amount is just 1,527 crore as against 9,000 crore that we had seen previously. So that is negative coming in for Dixon Tech specifically. UPI scheme related incentive has been increased significantly, as Tamanna was mentioning. But for defense also, if you look at, the target is kept at the defense expenditure target has increased by nearly 22%. Again, pretty much what the Street was anticipating, and in line with what 20 to 25% is what was anticipated, and that has come in. And for oil marketing companies, so far from what I've gone through, I could not find anything on excise duty hike for petrol and diesel. So that's a major overhang that could go away for oil marketing companies like HPCL, IOCL and BPCL.